How to see send follow requests on Instagram. First open Instagram, and once you're in Instagram, what you have to do is just basically go to your profile. And once you're inside your profile, press these three horizontal lines on the corner, and then press on account center. Once you do this, just basically press on your information and permissions, and now what you have to do is just basically press on download your information. Now go ahead and press on download or transfer your information, and then just press on some of your information. Now you gotta scroll down until you see the option of connections. Just basically select all and then press next. Now it'll ask you to download to device or transfer to destination. So just basically press download to device if you want to see the send follow request on your own device. Just do this. Now you gotta set the date range for it. So yeah, here as you can see, this is all the date range for it. So I'm just gonna set last week just for an example, and then press create files. Now you just gotta wait until this is done. So here as you can see, the information is being prepared, so it will let me know when it's ready. So it's just gonna email me when my information is ready, and it's just gonna let me download when it's ready. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can see send follow request on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and goodbye.